Hello everyone. In the last class we have seen the introduction about the lines and the angle topic. Even we have seen types of the angles: supplementary angle, complementary angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, a right angle, reflex angle, linear pair angle and whole angle. Now one more point you learn that is adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent angles? Continuous now. Now see the two angles. See the definition of the adjacent angles we have seen already in the last class. Two angles have same common point or common vertex and same arm and their non-common arms are in the different side. For example, see this is a two angles are there here, angle 1 and angle 2. Clear? Now see that these two angles having this is the common side. Side means arm here. Arm means side means arm. Now see that these opposite. Remaining two non-common arms are in the different side now. Now see adjacent means continuous angle now. Now the adjacent angles have the common arm and the common vertex. Non-common arms are in the different side. We learned this one in the last class. Now see what is the linear pair angle. Linear means straight angle now. See a linear pair is, see I will write the definition. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles. A pair of adjacent angles. Pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides non-common sides are opposite. Common sides are opposite. Non-common sides are opposite. See what they given here. A linear pair is the pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides, see I will draw that here. Now see this is adjacent angles. Clear? Angle 1 and angle 2 are the adjacent angles. Then this is a common arm. Clear? Which are the non-common arms here? This and this now. These two non-common arms are in the opposite direction. In the straight, not the opposite direction. But here not in the opposite direction. On the different direction, different side here. But it is not a different. See what is the difference between the adjacent angles and the linear pair adjacent angles now. The non-common arm should be in the opposite direction. This is a linear pair angle. You can say that this is also linear pair angle. Clear? Now see this is also linear pair angles because see that non-common arms are in the opposite direction. I hope you understood this one. Now you can read that these are the examples of the linear pair angles. Clear? Yes. Now see in the textbook, page number 99, the given one here, think, discuss and write. Think, discuss and write. 3 points they given. These are the very important here. See what they given. Can two acute angles form a linear pair? See now, the sum of two acute angles form the linear pair angle. That is a straight angle. Means it is 180 degrees. Linear pair angle having that how much here? 180 degree. Now two acute angle. What is an acute angle here? The angle more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. It is like this now. Correct? Less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree means it is a exact 90 like that. This is a right angle. But acute angle means less than 90. Such two right angle, two acute angle gives the linear pair angle? No, because these sum of two angles not gives the 180 degrees. So this is the no. You have to what you have to write here? No, not possible. Two acute angle never give the 180 degree. Now see the second one. Can two obtuse angle form a linear pair? What is an obtuse angle? First we should know what is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is those angles more than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees called as the obtuse angle. For example, see that. See these are the two obtuse angle. Now after these two angles adding, again it is not give the linear pair. More than 90 means it gives the more than 180 degree. So it is also not a linear polynomial, linear pair angle. Clear? Because the sum of two obtuse angle gives the more than 90 or more than 180 degrees, so it is not a obtuse angle. Now see the last point. Can two right angles form the linear pair angle? Yes, two linear right angle. See that right angle means exact having the 90 degree. One more right angle, 90 degree. 90 plus 90 is two right angle gives how much here? 180 degree. The only and 180 degree is called as the linear pair angle. I hope you understood these 3 points. In classwork also you have tried these 3 points. And now front of that question you have tried that no, and this one is the yes. Clear? Now come to the one. Try this. There small. Try this. See what they given here. Check which of the following pairs of angles form a linear pair. Linear pair means a sum of two angles gives that 180 degree. Now linear pair, isn't it? Now see that 140 plus 40, how much? 180. Either it is the linear polynomial, linear pair angle here. Yes. Whatever right here. Yes, because it gives the 180 degree. 180 degree means that is a straight angle or linear pair angle. Then see the second one. 60 plus 60, 120. Correct. It is not a linear pair angle. No. Then see the third one. 90 plus 80. How much? 90 plus 80. 170. 170 also not a linear pair. So you have tried here. No. Now next one is 115 plus 65. How much it gives that? 180. So this is the linear pair angle. In the reader only you have to mark like this. I hope you understood. Now see that remaining part we will see in the next period. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.